M35 just departed, A43 is to your left, A40 to the right. There goes the ANZAC. Train for some reason was a Leppington service, but now has left there and is en route north. Yes, you are looking at that correctly. That is a D set. Here we also have A60. I'd assume that is... It is D19. That is D19. I don't believe it is paired with D119. I could be wrong about that. This is the second time I have gotten footage of D-sets either in testing or being hauled here at Lidcombe. There's a Waratah on the Olympic Park sprint platform. Do not know the set. Here we have A60 departing. Penrith via Granville service. All stations to Parramatta, then Westmead, Seven Hills, Blacktown, then all stations to Penrith, where the train will terminate. Waratah B7 on a City Circle via Bankstown service departing Regent's Park Station.
Platform 2 goes to City Circle via Bankstown. First stop Birrong, then Yagoona, Bankstown, then all stations to Sydenham, then St Peters, Erskineville, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Circular Quay, St James and Museum.
My favourite train.
No idea who